objects, which is also another line. And I also have this vector addition that's kind of pushing the line in X or Y or Z, and you're gonna have different results depending on which axis you're pushing the points. And we have then time frame that's being multiplied. You can make it slower or faster, and yeah, you're gonna get all kind of different results. So I think this is kind of nice. And you can, I believe you can merge it. Oh no, you cannot. You can always export it out as mesh, and it's kind of complete. So I kind of wish this can be like some kind of AR or VR sculpture. It's kind of nice. It's forever making this kind of abstract noise looking. It's almost like a jellyfish as well. But yeah, anyway, that's hopefully this is useful for you. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.